Discover the transformative power of Cerebrozen, a groundbreaking dietary supplement designed to support your hearing health. With its carefully selected blend of natural ingredients, Cerebrozen nourishes and protects your auditory system, promoting clearer, sharper hearing. Experience the joy of effortless communication and sound perception with Cerebrozen. Cerebrozen is proudly made in the USA. It's FDA approved and GMP certified, ensuring the highest quality. Made with 100% all-natural, non-GMO, and gluten-free ingredients, Cerebrozen has real-life changing results, as shared by satisfied customers. Cerebrozen targets nerve repair in the ear area, combating damage caused by toxins, radiation, and high oxidative stress. Its powerful blend of ingredients works together effectively to heal damaged nerves and restore hearing balance. The comprehensive approach ensures not just temporary relief, but also sustained improvements in hearing abilities over time. Unlock the benefits of Cerebrozen for optimal hearing health. It promotes healthy hearing, reduces stress, provides immune support, improves blood flow, restores hormonal balance, protects the auditory system, nourishes inner hair cells. Enjoy a limited-time special offer and a risk-free 60-day money-back guarantee. Shop now and experience the life-changing benefits of Cerebrozen. Now click on the link in description to know more and buy Cerebrozen from official website.